This video explains the installation of a FritsJurgens floor plate flush rounded in a wooden sill. In this case, the milling has already been made in the sill at the correct location. We can use a tape on the drill at 8 mm. This way, we know exactly when we've drilled 8 mm deep. Now, drill the holes for your floor plate with the right size and type drill. You can use the crossline laser to determine the placement of the ceiling plate. Now, add glue to the holes you've drilled. Don't overflow the holes. Then, add some glue to the bottom of your floor plate. We can use a rubber hammer to put the floor plate in place. It might be useful to use a small block so the floor plate pins go straight down into the holes. And that's it.